Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track restricted funds in QuickBooks. If you need to separate money by purpose, grant program, or donor restriction, QuickBooks can help you do that using classes. This makes it much easier to see how much money has come in for a specific fund and how much has been spent from it, all without creating a complicated chart of accounts. Tracking restricted funds correctly is especially important for organizations that receive money that can only be used for a specific purpose. For example, a nonprofit may receive a grant that must be spent only on a certain program, or a donor may provide funding that has specific requirements attached. I'll walk you through the process from setup to reporting, so you can keep your fund tracking organized and easy to review. To get started, go to the Settings icon in the top right corner of QuickBooks. Then select Account and Settings. From there, click Advanced. In this section, look for the option to Track Classes and turn it on. This feature allows you to label transactions by fund, which is what makes restricted fund tracking possible. Classes act like tracking labels that help you categorize financial activity without needing to create separate accounts for every single fund. This keeps your chart of accounts cleaner while still giving you detailed reporting. Once that setting is enabled, click Save. If you skip this step, you won't be able to assign transactions to specific funds later, so it's an important foundation. Next, go back to the Settings icon in the top right and select Classes. Then click New to create a class for the restricted fund you want to track. Enter the name of your fund and click Save. The class name should clearly reflect the fund, so it's easy to recognize when entering transactions and when reviewing reports. For example, if you have a grant for a community education program, you could create a class name that clearly identifies that purpose. Clear naming makes it much easier for anyone reviewing your books to understand where the money belongs. This is the label QuickBooks will use to separate activity for that fund from everything else in your books. Once your class is set up, you can begin recording transactions. Click the plus New button and select Bank Deposit. Enter the amount of money received. Then, choose your fund class on the transaction before saving it. Assigning the correct class at the time of entry is what ensures the money gets tracked under the proper restricted fund. This step is important because if you forget to assign the class when entering the transaction, the income may not appear correctly in your fund reports later. Building the habit of selecting the correct class every time helps keep your records accurate. This is especially helpful if your organization receives money from multiple purposes and you need clean reporting later. For example, if you have 3 different grants running at the same time, classes allow you to see the activity for each grant separately instead of combining everything into one general balance. After that, when money is spent from the same restricted fund, click plus New again and select Expense. Fill in the amount and make sure to choose that same fund class on the expense transaction. Then, click Save. Using the same class for both income and expenses keeps everything connected, so QuickBooks can show you a clear picture of fund activity. This gives you a better understanding of how much funding has been received, how much has already been used, and whether the remaining balance is available for future expenses. Finally, go to Reports and open Profit and Loss by class. This report lets you view balances and activity by fund class, so you can quickly see what has been received, what has been spent, and what remains available within each restricted fund. Reviewing this report regularly can help with financial planning, grant reporting, and making sure restricted money is being used according to its intended purpose. That's the full process for tracking restricted funds in QuickBooks, clearly and accurately. By setting up classes correctly and consistently using them for every related transaction, you can keep your bookkeeping organized, improve reporting accuracy, and make it much easier to manage multiple funding sources over time.